What's up, everybody? It's your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So on this YouTube channel, I've been making a lot of camera reviews about the Google Pixel 3, right? And a lot of you guys was saying that the Google Pixel 3 XL has better camera and better audio. As you know, on this YouTube channel, I've been criticizing the audio output that's coming out of this device. Well, let's go on and fix that. All right, let's fix that. Let's fix this problem about the Google Pixel XL 3. All right, so in the box here, I got the Google Pixel 3 XL along with a case. All right, so let's move all this to the side and let's get to the Google Pixel 3 XL. All right, so let's go ahead and cut it open. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do a camera review between the Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL and see if the audio is different between both of these devices. All right. Boom. So what I'm going to do here also is I'm going to show you guys that I have the new update between the December update of the Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL. So it's supposed to fix some of the audio issues with the Google Pixel. And so we're going to see what it's all about. As you can see, Google Pixel 3, same design. That we all know and love or don't love. So let me go on and put my information in here, do all the updates, and I'm going to show you guys the updates that I got on this device. So check this out. All right, so I got the Google Pixel 3 XL all restored here and I have it all up to date. So I want to show you guys really quick the settings on both devices. All right, so as you can see, Google Pixel 3 XL got December 5th, 2018. And so both of the devices is currently on the same build. So let's go ahead and take a look at the cameras. And on the cameras, again, we got the same build. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to do all nighttime because we already know how the daytime photos and video would look. So I'm going to concentrate on all low light in this video. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. Alright guys, so here it is. I got the Google Pixel 3 XL and I got the Google Pixel 3. The main purpose of this video is for audio and also looking at some of the video aspects of both devices. Now I have the new updates here on both devices. Also, I want y'all guys to hear the audio from both sides and y'all guys have a clear representation on how good or how bad the cameras are with both devices. Now I was told that it's a possibility that the Google XL has better audio and better video than the Google Pixel 3, but you be the judge for yourself. Now look at this. All right, as I go around here, again, let's look at the top here. Let's look at the 5 guy. Which one has the better video? Look at the details of this plant. As I go along here, this is 1080p 30 frames per second, but you be the judge for yourself. Now again, the Google Pixel don't have 1080p 60, despite all the rumors and all the things that people have been saying about it fluctuate in frames per second. I don't believe that, but it is what it is. And I'm gonna go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio. both devices. And I'm gonna go to the front facing camera, but I want y'all guys to see this as I walk optical image stabilization on the device. And looking at that wall right there, look at the details. Now, we have a foggy night out here. And as you can see, look at the fog out here. But I wanted to shoot this video so y'all guys can see some of this stuff. Well, both of these devices at night, late night. Right here. Yes. This is 1080p, 30 frames per second on the Google Pixel 3 XL and the Google Pixel 3. Let's see. Look at that. And as y'all know, I made plenty of videos of both devices, but I'm looking at the viewfinder and I'm not seeing no difference in both devices, but you be the judge for yourself. Looking at that. All right. Look at that. Beautiful. All right. And let's go on and do some focus points here. Now look at that. Let's see which device will focus the fastest. Boom. Boom. Look all the same to me. Boom. Look at that white balance kicking in. Boom. Both of them look the same to me. But you be the judge for yourself and looking at that audio, listening to the audio on both devices. Let me go down and switch to the front facing camera with both of these devices. All right, guys, so this is the front facing camera of the Google Pixel 3 XL and the Google Pixel 3. So there it is. Nice, foggy out, cold, but I wanted to shoot this at night so y'all guys can see both cameras in action. Did the update fix everything? I got the December update going on right now with both devices. So it is what it is. I tell you what, the front facing camera looks pretty good. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. But I'm gonna give you guys some low light shots along with this video, and you be the judge for yourself. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Google Pixel 3, Google Pixel 3 XL, in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.